What if I tell you that the difference between your channel and those successful channel out there all boils down to 5 habits? On this video, I'm going to be breaking down those 5 secret habits that a lot of successful YouTubers have that is making them to grow faster and grow better here on the YouTube platform, so that you can learn from those habits and then start applying it so that you yourself can start growing on YouTube. And please, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The harsh truth is that without developing this habit, it's going to be very hard for you to get 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So if you know that you are ready to learn and ready to work for it, then this video is actually for you. And the first habit, it actually has to do with how you spend your time on a daily basis as a creator. Because a lot of successful YouTubers, or rather successful creators, how they spend their time on a daily basis, they normally do things like scripting, researching, getting a lot of videos idea and shooting out videos and uploading videos on YouTube. That's how they spend their time. So as a creator, and if you know that you want to be a successful creator, you need to start doing that on a daily basis. On a daily basis, you need to always make sure that you are looking for your next video idea, you are scripting videos, you are shooting videos. That's what you should be doing more. So you can't be a creator, or rather be planning to be a successful creator, and then on a daily basis you are just there chilling, watching movies and having fun. Yes, you can have fun, because on a normal, once you are working, you need to take a break and go and have fun. But always make sure that you are taking out time every day to find the next video idea for your channel, shooting videos, scripting videos, uploading videos, because that's what is going to drive you to success. So that's the first habit that you need to always work on. Always make sure that you are maximizing your time every day and you are making each and every second count, and making sure that you are fully utilizing your day to make it productive. The second habit that a lot of successful creators and successful YouTubers actually have is this habit of always constantly sharpening their skills. And I'm talking about your editing skills and the video shooting skills. So these creators, they are always sharpening those skills, because they know that in order for them to get the most views on YouTube, they need to be able to stand out. And in order for you to stand out, you need your editing skills. Also, when a lot of people, they are scrolling through their YouTube feed, in order for them to click on a video, that video needs to capture their attention. And the thing that will actually capture their attention is either maybe the catchy thumbnail or maybe your title. And in order for you to create that catchy thumbnails, you are also going to need editing skills. Then let me say, for example, someone is to click on your video and is watching your video. Before you be able to keep that person to watch your video, especially if it's a long video like 10-minute video, for you to be able to keep that person to watch that video all through, that means that your video is very interesting and the visuals of your video is very good. And in order for you to actually do that and keep people's, or rather keep audience retention, you actually need editing skills, and at the same time you need a very good shooting skills, or rather video shooting skills. So as you can see, all these skills are things that you need to keep sharpening so that you'll be able to get the best performance on your YouTube channel. So as a creator, always make sure that you are sharpening those skills, because shooting a video is one thing, but that's not all that is important. What is very important is what you do after you are done shooting the video. Like right now that I'm shooting this video, once I'm done shooting this video, I'm not just going to come and upload it here on YouTube now without a thumbnail. I will have to create my thumbnail, and also I will have to edit this video, remove a lot of mistakes, because I make a lot of mistakes as well. I will need to cut out those mistakes, and to do that I need editing skills. Then after that, I will need to add videos, effects and stuff like that. So you can see, those are very important habits that you need to keep building as a creator for you to become successful someday here on the YouTube platform. Now, a lot of new YouTubers always have one problem, and that problem is where to find the next video idea. And that question actually brings us to habit number 3, and that habit is idea farming. Now, idea farming has to do with a situation where you come on YouTube and then you start looking for trendy videos and successful videos of creators that are similar in your niche, or rather creators that are in your niche. So you start looking at their successful videos, their trendy videos, and then you script about those videos, and then you recreate those videos on your channel to also get views just the way they are getting views. So this is actually a habit that a lot of successful YouTubers, they all have this habit called idea farming. So they always come here and then they look for trendy videos and then they create those videos. So if you are a YouTuber that actually plans to become successful, you have to start doing this idea farming and always looking for the next trendy title, or rather the next trendy topic here on YouTube, and then recreating them on your channel. So that's very important. And also this is very, very helpful also to new YouTubers, or rather new creators, because as a new YouTuber, you won't be having a lot of ideas because you are new to this whole thing now. So you won't have a lot of ideas. So if you are actually a new YouTuber and you are running out of ideas, you can start doing idea farming, and you are going to be having a lot of video ideas and being able to be consistent. So always make sure that you are doing this as well, so you won't run out of video ideas. The fourth habit has to do with surrounding yourself with like-minded creators. And this is very, very important, because when you surround yourself with a lot of people that are like you guys will be able to share ideas, inspire yourself, give yourself motivation to always keep pushing, and then you guys will start growing together. So it's always very important to do this. And like I said, make sure you are connecting with like-minded people. So what I mean, if you know that you are someone that, okay, you post consistently, make sure that you are connecting and surrounding yourself with creators that also post consistently like you. Because if you are someone that posts all the time and you are surrounding yourself with people that post like once a month, before you know it, you won't be able to even post all the time again, because you have a lot of friends that post only like once a month, twice a month. So they will start telling you things like, bro, you relax now, you are just posting all the time, do you want to kill yourself? Relax. They see the way we take the post once in a while. I know you guys might not understand what I said, but what I actually said was in pidgin, and what I actually meant was something like, you can see what we are doing, we are posting once in a while and we are still getting views. So they will start telling you stuff like that, and before you know it, you yourself, you start posting once in a while. So always make sure that you are connecting yourself, or rather surrounding yourself with people that are like you, that they are consistent, so that you all will be uploading and pushing yourself, and making yourself able to post all the time, so that you guys can grow faster and better here on YouTube. If you are a creator that is struggling with getting views here on YouTube, then it might just be that you are not doing some important things that you are supposed to be doing after uploading your video. So I would suggest that you watch this video to learn some key important things that you are supposed to always do after you are done uploading your video, so that YouTube can push your video to a larger audience. I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.